Okay, guys, it's time for a new book, and this time I'm going to let Slinky pick. And hopefully he does better than Nala did. So let's make our selection. Slinky's curious, and he can smell the treats. He's ready to go. So I narrow it down for him by picking 4 books. And this is what I chose. And of course, any of them are gonna be great. I'm excited for all 4 of them. So now we wait. He's definitely unsure of what he is supposed to do. I think my dogs are broken. Still thinking. And then he tricks me. I thought for sure he was gonna pick it, but he just wanted to come say hi. Oh. So we wait some more. It's okay, buddy. Still waiting. And waiting. So I move the configuration of the books just to make sure all the cups are a little closer to him and in the same distance. And finally, we have a winner, you guys. This time, it only took about 25 minutes. I think we'll try Miko next time and see how she does. But here we go, girls in the garden. Let's do this, Lisa Jewel. Keep smiling, guys. Good job, Slink.